Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am here for the first makeup tutorial on my channel of 2020. Hopefully this is one of 100. I want to try and do at least 2 makeup tutorials a week on here. I'm going to give it my best shot. That it might be more, it might be less. I mean, with October, it'll obviously probably be more. But I am here today to do my first makeup tutorial, and if I sound sick, I apologize. I am sick. I tested positive for corona, so that's cool. Sean and I are both in quarantine because we both have it, and obviously we've been wearing our masks, only going out for like essential items and going to work, but unfortunately we still got it. So we probably got it from work or something, we don't know, but we're quarantining, we're okay, no one has a fever, just mainly sinus pressure and stuffy. So we're being very careful, having all of our groceries delivered. Obviously no one is coming to visit us or anything like that. So that being said, we're gonna do makeup today because I have nothing else to do. And my cats are rolling around in the kitchen if you hear them fighting. So we are gonna start today and the year with a big, sparkly, glittery, colorful glam look, which is what I want to do most of the year. So let's get started. So I'm going to start by priming my eyes with concealer. Just a little bit on each eye. And then taking a dry makeup sponge and blending it out. I don't like using a wet one when I do this just because I feel like it moves the product around too much. And it also takes up a lot of the product. So I use it dry, and it seems to work a bit better for doing this. So yeah, a little sick right now, gonna be fine. I'm filming this on the 1st, so it's literally like the first day of 2021. And what a way to start the new year. Am I right? I think I kind of want to do like inverted eye looks. I'm not sure yet. So we're going to start with this eye anyway. And I'm going to go into my Tammy X palette. I'm going to dip into this bright pink color on a pencil brush. And we're going to start at the crease. I'm going to do pink. And I don't know why I'm feeling like this kind of pink, like fuchsia-y pinks and like a blue and a teal kind of combo. I'll show you the glitter I'm going to be using that kind of inspired this whole look. One of my resolutions, which you guys will have already seen, or one of my 2021 goals, is to use up a lot of the products I have already. I am not buying any new makeup. I feel like when I started doing makeup on YouTube, I had to have every new palette, every new eyeliner, every new mascara, or I felt like I wasn't gonna create my best work. And that's not true. Like, I have a lot of makeup that I just kind of got rid of everything that's expired. And I've barely touched some of it, and that's because I just kept buying. And it doesn't matter if you have the newest products, because some of the newest products don't work compared to the old ones. But now I'm going to take a light blue. It's out of a different palette, but of a brand we do not speak of. So looks like this. And we're just going to pack this on the lid. This inadvertently looks like the Fine Line album cover, and I'm not mad about it at all. So I'm just gonna build up this blue, lots of layers, because it is not coming off as pigmented with just the one swipe as I want it to. So change of plans. I ended up not liking the pink with the blue crease, so I changed it so that my eyes match. So I am just blending out the blue and adding a little bit more pink on this side because I feel like it's not, may have blended a little too much. Today I'm going to be using this glitter from iMethod. I got sent it a while ago, but it has like stars and diamonds, and maybe the camera will focus on it. you can see how it looks. So we're gonna pop some of this on. I'm gonna use a little glitter glue here. I just gotta get a brush to put it on with. So I'm just gonna put the glitter kind of mostly in the center of my eye, kind of the way I did my Christmas look, but this is much chunkier, so it's gonna really stand out. I'm not really doing it in any sort of pattern. I'm just kind of creating almost a rectangle in the middle, I guess you could call it, and I'm not using a whole lot of the glitter glue either. Lay it on top of this. So I threw on my brows. Now we're going to do some liner. I am taking this kind of Tiffany blue liquid lipstick, and we're going to do eyeliner, but it's not going to be like normal eyeliner. So we're just going to do the wing part just from the glitter beyond. So it sounded like somewhere like Glitter Goes to Die, the glitter beyond. I'm just gonna draw the wing on with my liner brush, but I'm gonna stop at the glitter. See what I mean? So there's like a defined end to the eye look, but we're not covering the glitter part, and I'm gonna do it on the inside as well. So just elongate that inner corner a bit, just to kind of shape up the eye a bit so it's not so plain and just not soft. I want it to have a bit of a graphic look to it. So we're going to do this with the other eye as well. We are going to do the lashes. I'm going to pop on some false lashes, but first we're going to add some mascara because I'm not sure that I want a lash to cover this glitter. So it might just be a little half lash. We will see. But we're going to start with mascara. My base took forever because I tried to like bake underneath and it was so bad. It clung to like everything. Like it was just not a good look. So I am going to contour my forehead now, even though I am wearing a wig with this look. I want to warm up my forehead a little bit because it does look a bit dull compared to the rest of my face. And you know what? We're going to take my big bronzing fan brush and go all along the sides and really blend it, just to enhance the contour but also blend everything together from hairline down. Also do it with my jaw because this does, sometimes when I do it with like a really precise brush, it creates like a beard kind of effect. If I do it with this one, it seems to blend everything really nicely. I use my Land of Lollies blush. I think I've moved over at some point here. So it's just a matte pink. Throw this on our cheeks. Some on my nose as well. Now we're going to highlight. I have a highlighting stick. Put a little there. Do a little dabby on my cheeks. A little bit on the chin. And we're going to do just a dab of each. A little more than that. Over the forehead. And I'm going to blend it with this brush here, which is a highlighting brush, however. So I put some setting spray on to kind of melt down some of that powder. Huge difference, as you can probably tell. So now we are going to do the lips. I'm going to use Starstruck from NYX. It's a liquid lip suede. I feel like this calls for a gloss. I don't know why. I think this color just needs to be shiny. So I'm going to use this peachy kind of champagne-y color gloss. I mean, really, it comes out teal. Or teal, clear. so this is the end of my first makeup tutorial of 2021. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, leave me a like down below and a comment on what you want to see me do next. And then I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.